appearance after microneedling. If you obsess with those little things that needle your skin and you just love needles inside your skin, let's go through and let's talk what's gonna happen to your skin next day, next week. I do have over here with me amazing, incredible educational book, which is very expensive, like 90 bucks. Don't buy it, just watch some of my videos. I talk about this book. Dermal needling. Bleeding or bruising should be a rarity, so it should be rare. But if it does occur, it is typically apparent immediately, unless the patient is on blood thinners, etc. Bleeding on oozing of serum should stop quickly. The average timeline for this is within 2 to 20 minutes. If one sees petechiae developing, especially on the bridge of the nose, stop treatment and apply pressure for a few minutes to prevent a blood blister or bruise from forming. Ice might also be applied. What is petechiae? I gotta go Google. Okay, Jen goes and Googles what that means. I don't even know how to pronounce. Tiny round brown purple spot due to bleeding under the skin. Ooh, okay. We learned something new today. Okay, so day 1, the predominant feature is erythema, and most patients appear flushed or mildly sunburned. So sunburn kind of look is normal. Bruising and dark purple red patches in light skin might be apparent after very aggressive treatment. Don't do very aggressive treatments. They don't work better than normal treatments. This is more typical with 3 mm. We just learned in the last videos that 3 mm is no better than 0.6 devices and is seldom seen with other models. More common is a puffy facial appearance or slight bruising, especially close to eyes and in skin areas. Skin feels tight and dry. Tight and dry skin after microneedling is totally normal, especially first day. But not much discomfort. It feels like sunburn. Hyaluronic acid is a good moisturizer at this point, and please go and buy my hyaluronic acid serum because it's incredible, it's natural, it's safe, no fragrance, no parabens, it's incredible, no allergens, and it's plumping and hydrating your skin like crazy. This is why I created and dedicated this serum to be used after microneedling. Check out my website jenamber.com. All right, day 2. Day 2, a red hue persists on light skin, like moderate sunburn. Bruising, if any, starts to lighten. Swelling might be worse on the second day in a few cases, and some people might not be ready to be seen in public at this stage. Don't overdo this. Don't use too deep dermarollers, and you will have the same exact results. This is less likely with 1 or 2 millimeter treatments. Yes, you don't need that. A patient should be advised to stay off work for 2 to 5 days. What? What the fudge? I have to skip 5. Listen, this is so... sometimes I don't agree with this book. I agree to disagree. So not everything what Dr. Lance Setterfield says is correct, because here is the thing. If I'm using Dermaroller every 2 weeks and I have to skip 5 days of work, is government going to pay for my days off? This is so funny. You might skip 1 day, but come on, it's just so... Okay. The majority return to work the next day with makeup. Yeah, I don't wear makeup. I don't need makeup. Day 3, the skin still appears pink. With bruising getting steadily lighter, swelling subsides. Some people might be ready to appear in public, but might feel rather conspicuous without mineral makeup. Okay, day 4 to 6, minimal swelling. Any bruising will take a few days to disappear and return to normal. Most patients appear in public with confidence. Flaking is prevalent at this point. So yes, people ask me if flaking is okay. It's okay. Don't worry, don't freak out. So day 7, in most patients, very few signs are visible of the procedure. So, but this is in extreme and aggressive ways where you use more like deeper than 1 millimeter dermaroller. This is, for example, 1 millimeter dermaroller. You have to be aware that dermarolling depends. People say, oh my God, dermaroller is so bad, it's so scary, you're gonna fuck up your skin, it's crazy, who can use at home. People are crazy. Yes, people are crazy because they don't know how to use it, they don't know how to do this, they don't know what to use after, they don't know how to take care next week. They don't know how to disinfect, what dermarollers to buy, what sizes. This channel is for you guys to learn about microneedling. So in that moment, I would like you to take 2 seconds of your life and click the red button and subscribe, because you will get a lot of information if you watch my videos. And you can have, literally guys, this channel is just about how you can cheaply do the same stuff at home that you will do in esthetician or dermatologist office, where you will pay hundreds and even thousands of dollars. So get this $29 tool, watch some of my videos, spend an hour or two analyzing how to use it, what dermaroller to get it. It's super simple. You don't need like crazy medical, you know, PhD education. Just learn it. You know, once a day, watch one of my videos and learn it. In a couple of weeks, you're gonna know how to use it. You can get incredible results. Here are some of my clients that got such incredible results with using this tiny roller. So I love you guys so much. Let me know down in comments below if you have any questions. I love you, and I see you in my next video.